iSAHPRA ithola ukuthi sekwanqophana ukubhubha kwabantu abamathathu kwabamathathu ababhubhileyo. Ithi ukubhubha kwabo sekwaba indaba mlonyeni ngoba bonke njalo bebajoviwe.
We have our pharmacovigilance committee. It also has experts. Put together, this group of experts that look at every single case. So for us to, come to a conclusion where we say it's coincidental, we've gone through a lot of information.
Imraro efana neminyaka kunye nokhunye ukugula ngezinye zendaba ekukhulunywe ngazo. Amalunga wePalamende wezinye inhlangano afune ukwazi ngokubhubha athi umphakathi uyazaza begoda unasiqiniseko ngokuphepha komjovo we-COVID-19. Usihlalo wekomiti uKenneth Jacobs uveze nasi isiyeleliso.
I think we need to be absolutely mindful of our role as portfolio committee members. I'm going to say again that these meetings broadcast on national TV. I am not saying here that any members are doing anything wrong. I have a great concern of our people are determined by the messages which go out there.
Amalunga wePalamende avumelene ngelithi ukusabalala kwelazi elimamala akusizi kodwa usihlalo weSAHPRA uHelen Rees uthi ukujovela iCovid-19 kuzokusiza wonke umuntu.
We are looking all the time at the effectiveness of vaccines once we roll them out. And we look at that in different ways. We look at how are they responding to new variants.
Sutsho wakandelela ukuthi imjovo le ayikwenza ungasangenwa ingogwana ye-COVID-19. Uthi imhlobo yengogwana emitsha ithola indlela ezitsha zokukhandela imjovo bekodwa ukusebenza komjovo sekwehlile kodwa uyasebenza wona.